Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, June 4th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. We start with the strategic plan. That process continues, and we want you to take a survey. Do you have 8 minutes to spare? The strategic plan process relies on feedback from the community members, among others, to set priorities for the future. Your input is vital in shaping the future of Fitchburg, recognizing that everyone's time and availability varies. We've created various ways for you to participate in the resident survey, in-person events, and interactive social map. Learn more about the project, participate in the survey, and find in-person events near you and more by visiting our page. That's engage.fitchburgwi.gov/strategic plan. It's at our social pinpoint website there, and we want you to provide us feedback as we continue to build that strategic plan. And the strategic plan focus group events coming up, 2 happen tonight, but we've got 2 more coming up here at the end of June. The next set will be on Wednesday, June 26th at 5 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. It'll be over at Doxa Church here in Fitchburg, so you can stop out for there. And again, you can continue to interact with the social pinpoint website that we have set up for the strategic plan and the process. We'll keep you updated on upcoming events and more here on Talking Fitchburg. Fitchburg Teen Center public workshop is coming here. This will be on June 17th from 5 to 7 p.m. The public is invited to join us for an open house event at the Latino Chamber of Commerce building to learn more about the potential new teen center in Fitchburg. The open house will feature a live DJ and food. Feel free to drop in anytime between 5 and 7 p.m. The family-friendly event offers an opportunity for community members to interact with staff and teens. It's a chance to learn more about the project, which aims to create a safe and vibrant space for youth. We hope to see you there. You can check out more and RSVP at engagement at equity by design. That's eqtbydesign.com with any questions or the RSVP. Fitchburg Public Library Summer Reading Program is scheduled to take effect here starting on June 10th. It runs through August 3rd. This year, patrons will be able to access reading challenges from home and their computer or mobile device. The library will be offering reading challenges for adults, teens, readers, and pre-readers. Create using the Bean Stack platform. Patrons will have a chance to earn badges and prizes while reading throughout the summer. Adults, teens, and children all can register for the summer reading program by signing up through the free Bean Stack website on June 1st. Keep track of your progress through the online site and your mobile app and collect your prizes from the library. You only need to sign up for Bean Stack once. There's all participants for future Fitchburg Public Library reading challenges. Just got to do it one time. And they can view a print to get started with the Bean Stack document to learn more on registration for 2024 summer reading program and get started with the Bean Stack on your computer or mobile device today. Second Harvest Free Mobile Food Pantry is continuing its service here in Fitchburg. Next available is on Thursday, June 13th. The Second Harvest Free Mobile Food Pantry stops at the Southdale Park and run for approximately 1 hour or until food is gone, whichever comes first. The free pantry is open to everyone. There is no registration, and everyone in need is welcome. No ID registration is required. The next one again, June 13th. It's a Thursday. It's from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. at the Southdale Park. That's located at 160 Deer Valley Road here in Fitchburg. Again, a free event to check out if you're in need of food. BBB Alert, that's Better Business Bureau Scam Alert, saying how to spot a job scam no matter how sophisticated it is. If you are applying for a job online or doing research before accepting an interview or an employment offer, scammers have often gotten very sophisticated, conveniently claiming to represent a real employer, requiring an interview, even providing phony offer letters. These new tricks and tactics have made and showed up in the BBB Scam Tracker. In fact, according to BBB's latest Scam Tracker Risk Report, employee scams were identified as the #1 risky scam for people ages 18 to 44 in 2023. So how do you avoid job scams? I got it for you. First, research the person who contacted you. If you suspect the person is contacting you, you could be a scammer, look them up. Quick online search will reveal the company, claim, and representative. And if you're not sure in the research, then check out by trying to find a phone number there. Never give out sensitive information. Watch out for overpayment scams. Don't get fooled by reshipping scams, and don't fall for jobs seem too good to be true.